Hello FPA professionals and financial controllers. If you're starting or thinking about starting your journey with Power BI, then this is the video for you. Transitioning from Excel to Power BI can seem daunting, especially when you're already short of time. Some tasks that are straightforward in Excel, like formatting for example, can be actually quite tricky in Power BI. But don't give up. Power BI offers incredible opportunities for automation and interactivity. I've been using Power BI for financial reports for nearly a decade now. Over the years, I've distilled my experience and knowledge into a comprehensive Power BI framework for financial statements. This framework will help you shortcut your transition to delivering exceptional reports and reclaiming all those hours spent each month gathering data, creating, checking, and distributing your management reports. The framework consists of two key components. Firstly, it's a fully functional three-way financial report that you can customize to your own particular needs. Secondly, it includes a structured training program to equip you with the necessary understanding to make those customizations. Let's take a dive into the three-way report and the key challenges and opportunities it addresses, which we will also cover in the training. With just 3 clicks, you can select the fiscal year, month, and analysis period, and this defines the date range for current and previous year calculations. Our default analysis periods are month, year-to-date, and 12 months, but this can easily be modified. We'll show you how to construct a robust data model to support the calculations that you need, such as profit and loss calculations, balances, that's opening balances, closing balances, maximum balances, minimum balances, and average balances in a period, balance sheet movements, cash flow, ratios and percentages across any statement. A well-structured data model is crucial. It enhances your report's flexibility, performance, and ease of maintenance. Learn to use the data model to present your financial statements dynamically. For example, in the balance sheet, add blank rows between the main groupings. Include irregular subtotals like net cash, working capital, and net assets. Format ratios differently, such as we have here with the current ratio. Handle floating categories like VAT liability, which in this case starts as an asset and ends the period as a liability. We'll show you how to add dynamic columns to your reports. For instance, in this example, in the balance sheet, you can choose to display movements or balances, and the columns adjust accordingly. Create multiple charts of accounts. Insert new custom subtotals and ratios without writing new DAX code. Recast your statements as percentage of sales or total assets, and create presentations combining year-to-date actuals with remaining budget or forecast on a month-by-month and cumulative basis. You'll also learn to create cash flow statements using the direct method and how to create drill-throughs to transaction-level details for any of the 3 statements. Are you ready to transform your financial reporting? Follow the link for more details on the Power BI framework for financial statements.